Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Facebook profile link from Instagram bio. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. Then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on edit profile, and here you need to click on links. Then you need to click on your link and click on remove from bio. Click on that, and it will take few seconds, and after that your link will be removed. So here you can see that. Let me show you. Click on tick mark, and now you can see that link is removed from my Instagram bio. So this is the process by which you can remove Facebook link from Instagram bio. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.